Hello, YouTube friends. I am so excited to be coming at you from my brand new YouTube studio. Yay! So I thought I'd give you a quick studio tour because I'm super proud of it, and I've been waiting a long time in my career to have a space where I could film for you and speak with you, and I want to try something different on YouTube and with my videos. Something a little more personal, maybe some tips that just come from the heart, maybe filming some more casual videos if you're okay with that. And so this video is my safe space. I'm alone. There are no teleprompters. There's no big scary lights, although there is a really pretty ring light, but it's pretty and it's cute and it's small and I like it. And there's no video producers, and it's just you and me. And so I'm hoping that in this studio I can just get to know you a little bit better and share some of my insider tips, some of my secret tips, the tips that I really use every day. So these videos might feel a little different. Hopefully you like them. I also wanted to give you a quick tour. So I'm surrounded by all of my favorite chemicals. And I am a science geek because I literally have favorite chemicals. So let's start with serotonin. Serotonin is such a good one. So serotonin is a great social chemical, or it's a neurotransmitter. And the reason why we like it is because it's the chemical of connection. It makes us feel safe and calm. So in a really, really good interaction, when you're savoring their presence and you're having deep conversation and you are like, wow, I really like this person, that's probably serotonin coursing through your body. So I love serotonin because it reminds me of calm. And sometimes I get social anxiety and stage fright and camera anxiety. And so we thought that doing a smaller, more intimate studio with a calm reminder would be good. All right, next one, my next favorite friend is dopamine. So dopamine is sometimes called the pleasure chemical. It's also more recently called the chemical of more. It's because it's what courses through us when we want something. So when you want to go talk to someone, or you want to hear a good joke, or you hear a good joke, or you hear a great conversation starter, or you're having a great conversation and you feel pleasure and excitement and anticipation, that is dopamine. So dopamine is, I like to call her the cool girl of the party. You know, she shows up and she's in her like sparkly outfit and she's like, hey everyone, the party has just started. That's dopamine. So dopamine is the cool girl of the party. Serotonin is like the caterer, because they bring all the food that you really like and your favorite drinks. They make you feel like, at least I'm not going to be hangry. That's serotonin. And then lastly, by the way, I'm making up these metaphors on the spot, so I hope you like them. I hope they're accurate. I'm totally going to regret that later, but hopefully you're going to like them. And the last one, I don't know if you can see it, is oxytocin. So oxytocin was my first chemical love, and oxytocin is the chemical of connection. So this is the warm and fuzzy feeling. So when you first meet someone and you shake hands with them or you make eye contact with them, by the way, studies even find that we can make oxytocin through the video camera. So I'm making that oxytocin for you. Oxytocin is that warm and fuzzy feeling where you're like, this person gets me. I really like them. That's oxytocin. So these three chemicals, the reason I surround myself with them is not only because I'm hoping that I can help you get some of those things. I want you to feel at home and safe and comfortable with me. I want you to feel excited and laugh a little and smile. And I also want you to feel like you're my people and I'm your people and we can connect. And they're also the basis for every good social interaction. So as you know, I teach a lot about social skills on YouTube. And what I'm really talking about is getting more of these three chemicals. Another really fun and exciting thing here is Captivate. Captivate came from you guys. I had a successful YouTube channel for many, many years. I started YouTube in 2007. I was like a baby. And it just grew and grew and grew until 2016 when Penguin Random House, my amazing publisher, Nikki, approached me and said, I want to publish your book. Your YouTube videos are so amazing. Let me tell your story. And in 2017, April 2017, Captivate came out as a thanks to you. So I just want to say thank you. I want to welcome you to my new studio. I hope you're going to like this new approach that I'm going to try, a little more intimate, a little more less scripted, and a little bit more just you and me talking. So I hope that you like it. I hope you look forward to these next few videos, and I'll see you in our next video.